Milestone number 81 that was also achieved this year. India and Malaysia announced a comprehensive strategic partnership as well this year. So India and Malaysia ties got further strengthened through this announcement, of course, and it was a very, very important decision that the two nations agreed to trade in local currencies as well. In fact, remember that happened during Malaysian Prime Minister's first visit to India. Malaysia, of course, an important partner of India in not just ASEAN, but also in the broader Indo-Pacific region. Ambassador Mukherjee, India-Malaysia ties getting further strengthened through the announcement of this comprehensive strategic partnership. Meanwhile, the very successful Global South Summit as well being held earlier this year by us.
Well, the Global Summit is an extremely important milestone. Let us not forget that during the G20 chairmanship by India, we were able to bring in the African Union as a full-fledged member. That is a very large chunk of the Global South, if I may say so. And that itself demonstrated India's leadership over the Global South. This was followed, as you rightly pointed out, by the Global South Summit, where the developing countries, having seen the manner in which India assisted the Global South during COVID, during the pandemic, when we didn't have enough vaccines, our vaccine diplomacy for our neighbors and for the Global South was greatly appreciated. And today, the Global South stands solidly behind India, for example, in its quest for permanent membership of the Security Council. And they know that India is there for them when they require any development cooperation assistance, etc. In fact, we give a huge amount of development cooperation assistance to the Global South, and it is without any strings attached to it, unlike the Chinese. And we believe in sustainable development projects for the Global South. So all in all, this particular summit, like the one which was held before the pandemic, where only for the Africans, which was also hosted by us and in Delhi, shows how far India has come in demonstrating its leadership for the Global South. As far as India-Malaysia partnership is concerned, that had gone through some ups and downs in the past. That is happily now behind us. India is in a very important, comprehensive strategic partnership which has been upgraded. And the fact that Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim visited India and has demonstrated Malaysia's commitment to work with India on key issues, including on our bilateral trade, which is increasing, as well as on common projects involving the ASEAN. And ASEAN today is facing a major challenge in trying to checkmate a militant and aggressive and rising China, and therefore depends upon India as a reliable friend and partner country of ASEAN, to help them to checkmate China. Again, a very important development and certainly a milestone as far as India's foreign policy is concerned for 2024. Uday.